Hey there campers, Mike Sampson, and I'm back with another quick travel trailer walk around. This time I'm coming at you with a brand new exclusive look at the 21 OD by Sunset Park. Now, what makes this one unique is we're gonna have an office on the inside. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers. So I'm going to put all the actual specs down in the description below. So double check those. I don't want to misspeak. This is a brand new floor plan. It's only been here about a day or two. Haven't had much time to go look through the true specs. But one thing I did want to point out, we're going to have a 2 5/16 inch coupler, spot for that 20-pound propane tank, the battery disconnect. You have access to your storage from the inside under the bed and then on the outside as well. One of the things I love is this large side window by your dinette. You'll have your fresh water, city water, 30 amp power cord, outside shower, some 110 outlets, your sewer system. It's also being prepped to receive that the Lippert ready to go ladder mount. It's also being prepped to accept backup cameras. On the back side here, you'll see our water heater. The mount for the spare, like I said, this has been here only a couple days. We haven't even had a chance to put it through the garage yet and get everything ready for you to come see it. This is a tandem axle. You got a nice window right here as well. You also have this large powered awning. This is a full-length powered awning. My rough guess, with this being a 21 footer, we're probably about 12-foot awning. They do have the solid steps in there. And as we head inside, right as you open, you're going to see your bed and then your dinette. So you'll have some overhead storage right there at the end of the bed. Nice little closet. This looks to be about a 54 by 74. Like I said, double check the specs down in the description. I'll make sure those are all correct. We have some cabinetry above the dinette, which is a nice large dinette. Thermostat, refrigerator switch, because that's just a nice large Everchill 12-volt refrigerator. Very nice size fridge and freezer. Across from that, you're going to have our microwave, cabinetry, the large farmhouse sink, and then a Furrion 3-burner stove with an oven. Of course, some more storage below. We'll come into the rear bath. And you're going to have a tub, shower tub combo, foot pedal, flush toilet, a little linens closet, medicine cabinet with a sink and some storage underneath this. So a very spacious bathroom. This is going to be a really nice couples coach. And then we're going to get to the main show right here. This is your office. So if you're someone that works from the road a lot, this is perfect because you got some cabinetry and things for your files and stuff like that, and a nice desk area with drawers. Add a seat and you got a nice little spot for your laptop. Another little cabinet behind you, some outlets. So really, really cool feature in this. I like that they went straight for the office and didn't try to have it be a dual function. So this is perfect for the sales folks that are out on the road quite a bit, or if you do work from home and things like that, it does give you a spot to do some of your work in private while you're out on the road, still enjoying life. You do have a TV backer up here. I don't want to forget that. That is prepped to accept that. We do have solar up top. I believe it's 190 watts, but like I said, I'll double check and put that in the description. If this is something that interests you, let me know. My name is Mike, and you can email me at mike@cortlandrv.com, or you can also get a hold of me on my cell phone at 607-423-0973. This was another quick travel trailer walk around, and I'll see you in the next one.